Are you dreaming of earning extra income or turning your passion into a thriving business? Starting a side hustle is more than just a way to make money. It's a chance to take control of your future, build new skills, and unlock opportunities. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or transition into a full-time venture, the right approach can make all the difference. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of launching a successful side hustle, from identifying your strengths to creating a roadmap that leads to actual results. Let's dive in and turn your ideas into income. Starting a side hustle can be one of the most rewarding journeys, but requires careful planning and a clear vision. The process begins with identifying your passions and skills. You can lay a firm foundation by analyzing what truly excites you and aligns with your abilities. For instance, if you're a tech enthusiast who loves solving problems, creating tutorials for new software might be a great avenue. If you're into crafting, handmade goods could be your forte. Passion fuels consistency, and your audience will connect with your enthusiasm. Next comes market research, a critical yet often overlooked step. Understanding your target audience allows you to tailor your products or services to meet their needs. Imagine identifying a gap in the market for affordable, eco-friendly stationery. Your side hustle could fill that niche, attracting an environmentally conscious customer base. Use tools like Google Trends, surveys, and social media interactions to learn what potential customers value most. Market research is the compass that can guide your side hustle to success, and taking a contrarian approach can sometimes uncover overlooked opportunities. While most entrepreneurs focus on popular trends, consider investigating niches others might dismiss as too small or too niche. These smaller markets often have less competition and more loyal audiences. For example, instead of targeting the broader eco-friendly stationery market, you might focus on creating customizable zero-waste planners for digital nomads. This growing demographic values both sustainability and productivity. Look into underexplored subcultures like those passionate about retro aesthetics or minimalism, and cater to their needs. Go beyond standard tools like Google Trends by diving into unconventional sources of consumer insights. Reddit forums, niche Facebook groups, and comments on competitors' social media posts can reveal pain points that mainstream research might miss. Additionally, don't just ask potential customers what they want, observe what they do. For instance, notice the items they create DIY solutions for, which may indicate a gap in available products. By zigging where others zag and taking this contrarian approach, you can carve out a unique space in the market that aligns with unmet specific demands. Your business plan acts as a roadmap, turning your ideas into actionable goals. A solid plan should detail your objectives, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Whether it's reaching $1,000 in monthly revenue or acquiring 100 loyal customers within 6 months, specific goals keep you focused. Reviewing your progress monthly ensures you stay on track and adapt to challenges. Establishing an online presence is essential in today's digital-first world. A simple website or a dedicated social media page can showcase your offerings and build credibility. Use platforms like Instagram to post eye-catching visuals or LinkedIn for professional services. Engaging with followers creates trust, making them more likely to become customers. An online presence goes beyond simply existing on social media or having a website. It involves leveraging the unique features of each platform to reach and engage with your target audience. For instance, if your side hustle sells handmade crafts, Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for showcasing visually appealing photos and videos of your products, complete with captions that tell a story or highlight your process. Regularly updating your profiles and posting consistent content will signal followers that your business is active and trustworthy. Features like Instagram stories, reels, or live Quanta sessions can humanize your brand and build deeper connections with potential customers. When it's time to launch, effectively promoting your side hustle can really set you apart. Marketing isn't just about ads, it's about telling a compelling story that truly resonates. Highlight your unique value proposition. What makes your product or service special? Maybe it's handcrafted details, affordable pricing, or your expertise. Share testimonials, behind-the-scenes content, and success stories to create a connection with your audience. To launch your side hustle effectively and stand out in the competitive online space, start by crafting a story that highlights your unique value proposition. This is the aspect of your product or service that sets it apart. For instance, if you're launching an online business selling handmade candles, your unique angle might be that the candles are made from locally sourced, eco-friendly ingredients and come with personalized scent options. Highlight these features through compelling website and social media content, focusing on how your product solves a problem or enhances the customer's life. Incorporate a storytelling strategy to deepen engagement. Share behind-the-scenes content, such as the process of making the candles or how you select sustainable materials. Personal stories like why you started the side hustle or the challenges you overcame make your brand relatable. For example, a TikTok video showing the candle-making process with a voiceover explaining the eco-friendly mission can resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, use customer success stories to build trust. Offer your product to a small group in exchange for honest reviews or testimonials, which you can share as social proof. For instance, if a customer shares that your candles helped create a calming home environment, turn that into a video testimonial for your website or a short quote paired with a photo on Instagram. Social proof establishes credibility and encourages others to try your product. Finally, amplify your reach with targeted ads. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads allow you to focus on a niche audience, people interested in home decor or sustainability. By consistently engaging with your audience and demonstrating the value of your product, you ensure that your launch captures attention and converts interest into loyal customers.